angle BAC is inscribed in semicircle arc BAC as shown in the figure below. If BD is equal to 4 and CD is equal to 9, find the area of triangle ABC. First, draw segment AE that intersects segment BC at point D. Corollary 6-12.2 states that if two inscribed angles intercept the same arc or congruent arcs, then the angles are congruent. Based from this, measurement of angle BDE and measurement of angle ADC are congruent, or symbolically, measurement of angle BDE is congruent to measurement of angle ADC, having measurement of angle D as their common angle. Moreover, as stated that arc BAC is a semicircle, using definition of a semicircle, we can say that segment BC is the diameter of the circle, and that arc BEC is the other semicircle, or the half of arc BAC. Then segment AD is equal to segment EP. Based from SAS similarity theorem, triangle BDE is similar to triangle ADC. Hence, CD over DE equals AD over BD. AB squared is equals to segment CD times segment BD. AD squared, square root AD squared equals to square root CD times BD. AD is equal to square root CD times BD. Substitute CD and BD. AD is equal to square root 9 times 4 equals to 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So AD is 6. Area of triangle equals to, a formula of area of triangle is area equals to 1/2 base times height. Area equals to 1/2 the quantity of segment BD plus CD and the quantity of AD. Area of triangle is equals to 1/2. Substitute BD as 9 and CD 4.